Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention staff and visitors. Please note that our office will be closed on Monday, July 4th, in observance of Independence Day. Normal business hours will resume on Tuesday, July 5th at 8:30 a.m. If you need assistance during the holiday, please contact our customer service hotline. Emails and messages will be answered once the office reopens. We wish everyone a safe and pleasant holiday.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Welcome to the Riverside Hotel. A complimentary shuttle bus to the airport departs every hour on the hour from the main entrance. The service begins at 6 a.m. and ends at 10 p.m. Please arrive 10 minutes early to ensure your seat. Luggage assistance is available upon request. For additional information, contact the front desk. Thank you for staying with us.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a teacher is standing at the front of a classroom and writing on a whiteboard. She appears to be explaining modal verbs such as can, could, and may. Several students are sitting at their desk and looking toward the board while taking notes. On the wall behind them, there are educational posters and a large world map. The classroom looks organized and well lit, and the students seem to be paying attention to the lesson.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, several travelers are standing in line at an airport check-in counter. In the foreground, a woman is handing her passport or boarding pass to an airline employee behind the desk. Next to her, a man is waiting with a suitcase and holding a water bottle. The counter appears to be British Airways, and there are large flight information screens above the area. In the background, more passengers are waiting with their luggage.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a family member about hobbies and free time. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
What do you usually do when you have free time?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
When I have free time, I usually read, watch movies, listen to music, or play some video games. Sometimes I also go for a walk or spend time with my family in the park because it helps me relax.
Do you prefer spending your free time indoors or outdoors? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer spending my free time indoors because it is more comfortable and more convenient since I work from home. I can read, watch some anime, play some games, or just rest at home without worrying about the weather.
In your opinion, why is it important for people to have hobbies?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, hobbies are essential to anyone because they help people reduce stress and enjoy life more. After working or studying for many hours, people need activities that help them relax and recharge. Hobbies can also help people develop new skills and meet others with similar interests. For example, someone who enjoys painting or sports can become more creative or more active. For these reasons, I think hobbies are very valuable.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Good evening, I just saw your flyer about this weekend's sale and I would like to know some information. How long will the promotion last?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Thank you for calling us, miss. The promotion will last for only 2 days. It will be held on Saturday and Sunday, October 12th and 13th. And also you should know there is a limited stock available, first come, first serve.
I need to buy some laptops and a phone for my office. Are there any discounts available?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Yes, laptops are 20% off on all models, although purchases are limited to 2 per customer. The flyer does not mention a discount on phones, but phone accessories are buy one, get one free.
I am also interested in smart TVs for my office and a gaming console for my son. Are there any promotions for those items? Will I get any discount on delivery for large purchases?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Yes, there are promotions for both items. Selected smart TVs are 15% off, and if you buy a gaming console, you will receive a free wireless controller. Also, delivery is free for purchases over $200 within city limits. However, discounts cannot be combined with other coupons, and stock is limited, so it is better to shop early.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Some people prefer team sports, while others prefer individual sports. Which do you think is better? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think team sports are better than individual sports for several reasons. First, team sports teach people how to cooperate, communicate, and work toward a common goal. These are very important skills, not only in sports, but also in school and at work. Second, team sports can be more motivating because players encourage each other and share both success and failure. For example, in sports like basketball or soccer, teammates support one another and learn how to solve problems together during a game. Finally, team sports help people build friendships and feel like they belong to a group. I am still friends with my teammates from my high school basketball team. For these reasons, I believe team sports are more beneficial and enjoyable for most people. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!